Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on XUbuntu 24.04. Okay, first open any web browser. Go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then scroll down, then click on MySQL community downloads, then select the MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.43. If you are unable to find the version, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the operating system Ubuntu Linux. Then select the version Ubuntu Linux 24.04. See, once we selected these options, it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. Instead of downloading each package, just to download this deb bundle. So click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 488 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will untar the star file and we will install these Debian packages. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Close this one. Now open terminal. Then go to downloads directory. LS. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.43. It is star file. You have to untar it. tar-xf. Then give MySQL. Then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. See, extraction completed, ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages. We have to install them, but before installing them we have to install following dependencies. Sudo apt install macap -ipadic -utf8 libao -dev. I will keep this command in the video description. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, both are already near versions. Okay, now install these packages. Sudo dpkg-i star.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Now set the password for root account. Confirm the same. Hit enter. Select OK by using tab. Hit enter. See here we have to select the default authentication plugins. See here we have the strong password encryption or legacy authentication method. Okay, whatever you want, you can select it and come to OK and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Control it. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL Server is running and it is enabled. If you took it, now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password that you have set for this account. See, we have connected to MySQL Server version 8.0.43. You can also verify the same by running select version. See, you have connected to MySQL Server 8.0.43. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. Now verify the same. Show databases. See, new database is created. Now switch to this database and create a table. Create table customer See, we have created table. See, we have created table. Customer, let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now create user. Before that, verify list of users, show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL dot user. See, these are the users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Create user. Verify the same. See, we have created user David. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now exit from the current session and connect with this new user. MySQL-u, username is David-p, then provide the password of this user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to MySQL Server with the user David. Okay. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Okay, exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Ubuntu 24. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL Server is stopped. Also verify by trying to connect to MySQL Server. MySQL-u root-p, then provide the password of root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL Server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the same. See, MySQL service is started. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart MySQL. See, we have restarted. Okay. ls, these files are not required anymore, so remove them. rm start.dep ls, we have one more file, remove it. rm MySQL, then press the tab, hit enter. ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Ubuntu operating system. Okay, for more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.